Now I will review about video comparison Parrot Bebop 2 on good light condition and low light condition. This is a sample of a good light condition of Parrot Bebop 2. Not bad for me. And this is a low light condition of Parrot Bebop 2 footage. Now let's start to compare to this video. But I will review about video comparison on this little forest. Go ahead and back again to me. Okay, now let's compare about good light condition Parrot Bebop and low light condition of Parrot Bebop video. Check this out. This is a sample of good lighting condition of Parrot Bebop video. And this is a low lighting condition of Parrot Bebop video footage. What do you think about this video? Good light and low light video comparison. It's not too bad for me on good light condition. And see, this is my opinion. If you have another opinion, comment on below and like and subscribe for another video from my channel. Your like and your subscribe makes spirit for me to make another video comparison.
He's gonna hit as hard as life, but it ain't about how hard you hit. It's about how hard you can get hit and keep moving forward. How much you can take and keep moving forward. That's how winning is done.
Okay, thanks for watching and wait for another video comparison from my channel. It's just for you. It's just for you. Okay? See you next time and see ya.
You're better than that!